This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Manual transmission oil renewal. As there is limited clearance beneath the vehicle, unless you have access to a special low workshop jack, use pieces of wood as ramps to increase the clearance so that a regular jack can be used. Position the workshop jack head under the rear of the subframe with a piece of wood or rubber to spread the load. Raise the vehicle until the tyres are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the sill jacking points, then remove the jack. Position the workshop jack under the rear subframe control arm's inner mounting point. Use a block of rubber or wood with a 25mm diameter hole counterbored in the top surface between the jack head and mounting point. Then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. If no rubber or wooden block is available, a thick piece of cardboard will suffice. Position axle stands under the sill jacking points. Then lower the vehicle onto the stand. The engine under tray is secured by various fasteners. Some of these may be torque screws, and some may have an hexagonal head. Undo the fasteners and manoeuvre the engine under tray from place. Using a suitable hexagonal bit or key, remove the oil filler plug from the front face of the transmission casing. Place a suitable container under the transmission, then unscrew the drain plug and allow the oil to drain. When the oil has drained, refit the plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Using a large syringe, add the correct grade of the transmission oil. The level is correct when oil begins to emerge from the filler hole. Refit the filler plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Manoeuvre the tray into position under the vehicle, then insert and tighten the fasteners. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands, then lower the vehicle to the ground. Raise the vehicle, remove the axle stand and lower it to the floor.